Now, I gotta say, I do appreciate all three of you who come to watch my videos. Still trying to figure out this camera work and YouTube and how all of that stuff works. I don't have a clue. I'm old-ish. Depends on who you ask. But I do appreciate it. And my next video will be a little bit different. It's not going to be maintenance. I got a little modification coming. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think it is. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Dusty Gremlin YouTube channel. We finally thawed out after all of the snow and ice and cold weather. So we're back at it, working on my Tacoma. Today we're doing transmission service. So stick around, let's get it done. Alright, so like anything else, I'm gonna take the fill plug out first. Watch your exhaust, it's really hot. There's your fill plug. This is your overflow. Toyota, in their infinite wisdom, decided not to put a dipstick on here. The 4-cylinders have it. The V6 automatic transmission does not, which makes it fun later when you're trying to check the fluid. We'll get into that. Shh. Trying to be secretive. Also be careful of the exhaust. It's hot. See if I can spray myself in the face with this. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. Hopefully you guys can hear me better. I got microphones now. And, so hopefully I don't have to mess with too much audio stuff. It'll help block out all the background noise. And I mean, it's pretty windy today. So hopefully you guys can't hear that. Once this gets drained out, I'll measure it, see how much came out, and put a little more than that back in, and get it up to operating temperature. You always want to check your transmission fluid when it's at operating temperature. Otherwise you end up putting way too much in, and that's never good for the transmission. I'll show you guys a way to get this up to the proper operating temperature. It's a whole big ordeal. There's several ways you can do it, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. And I'll show you guys how to do that. don't want to blind anybody with my belly there. If you saw it, I apologize. Good enough. That should be good. All right. Let me measure that and I'll come right back to you. All right. We're back. Dumped about 3 quarts out. So up there is the fill port. So let's get in there and fill it. All right. Up there's the fill port. So let's get in there and fill that up. I'm going to put a little bit more than 3 quarts back in. I want to see it dribble out of the overflow once I got it up to operating temp. Bear with me while I do this. Maybe I'll figure out how to do a time lapse. That way you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do this in real time. All right, that's about 3.5 quarts. There we go. Put the fill plug back in. Get it stuck down. Ugh. Oh, my other socket ran away on me. Hang on. Alright, that's tight. Now it's time to go up top and get it in temp check mode. Okay, so for temp check mode, one of the ways, you can use an OBD scanner. That's that port right there. Mine doesn't check transmission temperature. So what I'm gonna do is jump pin number 4 to pin number 13. And then we got some more steps after that I'll show you when we get to it. Alright, got the wires in. Just jumping the wire. That wire's way overkill, but it'll work. So let me show you what the dash is looking like. Alright, so here, you're gonna see all these lights flashing around. Down here, over here, over here. And that's from jumping that OBD2 sensor. So we're gonna keep an eye out over here for the AT oil temp light to come on. So I'm gonna go park to neutral, pause there, and drive, neutral, drive, neutral. And there's the AT oil light came on. And now, got to back and park. We're gonna sit here and wait for that light to come back on steady. And that tells us that our temperature in our transmission it tells us that we're up to operating temperature, and we can check the level. All right, there we have it. Transmission fluid is up to operating temperature. So now we'll go back down to the transmission, leave the truck idling, and we'll open that overflow, and that's how we check the level. All right, now that's the overflow plug. And let me open it and we'll make sure that we get a little trickle out of it, or a lot. Hopefully nothing. Hopefully not nothing. Ooh, that's a lot. A lot more than the small trickle that's supposed to come out, so we'll keep letting it drain until it's just a small trickle coming out, not a steady stream like that. Alright, that looks good. Tighten this back up. And that is a transmission fluid service on my Tacoma.